Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out the Surds questions. Basically, as you can see, there are 8 questions given. It says, write the following Surds in their simplest form. So what we have to do is we have to write them down in their simplest form. How we can do them? It's very simple. What we have to do is we will just split. For example, question number 1, it says square root of 8. We have to write it down in its simplest form, because as you can see, this is a surd, because you can't work out you can't work out the square root of 8 straight away. So we have to write it down in its simplest form. So but one thing I will say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it, and also press the bell icon as well, so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified about that. So square root of 8, how we can simplify it? Square root of 8, we can split 8 into two parts. Square root of 4 times square root of 2, right? So it's the same thing, square root of 8 means square root of 4 and 2. So because square root of 4 and when you time them, you get 8 back. So it's the same thing. But now we know that square root of 4 is 2. So we can just write 2. And square root of 2, we cannot work it out. So what we do, we just write square root of 2. And this will be the answer. Very simple, you see. So this will be the answer for the first question. It's very easy. Now, 12. If you know it how to do it, I will recommend you to try doing it. Otherwise, later on, once I will finish, you can tally your answers with my answers. If you don't know how to do them, then you can watch this video. This is 12, square root of 12. So we can split it down into two parts. We can write square root of 4 times square root of 3. Square root of 4, we know it is 2. And square root of 3, we can't do it anymore. So this will be our answer. 2 square root 3. So this will be our answer. So I'm sure you are understanding. It's very easy. Now, next one is 27. Okay, we can split 27 into two parts. We have to see which timetable goes on 27. We know that 9's timetable goes on 27 timetable. 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So we know that square root of 9 is 3. So square root of 9 and 3. So this will be our answer for this one. You see, it's very easy. Now question number 20. Next one is the square root of 20. Okay, square root of 20 means we can write it down and we can split it down into two parts. Square root of 4 times square root of 5, because we know that 4 times 5 is 20. So square root of 4 is 2 and it's 5, and that's it. And this is the answer. Now next one, 18 square root. So square root of 18 is because we can't work it out. So what we can do is we can divide or we can split 18 into two parts. We know that 18 means 9 square root times 2 square root. So we can write 9 and 2. So square root of 9 is 3, and then square root of 2 is 2. So we can't work it out anymore. So this will be our answer for this one, right? Next one is 32. We can obviously there are various timetables which goes on 32, but we have to look for the biggest timetable which goes on 32. We know that, and if it is possible to find a square root of that number as well. So we know that 16 times 2 is square root 16 times 2. So 16 times 2, when you time them, you get back 32. So we can split it like this. We can also do 4 and 8. We can do it 4 and 8 as well, but we have to do that method is a bit longer. So 16, we know that square root of 16, this is easier one, 16 square root and 2 square root. Okay, we know that square root of 16 is 4. So it will be 4 square root 2. And that's it. That's the final answer. Now we have got 48. We have to look for the best timetable which goes on 48 so we can square root it. We know that 16's timetable goes on 48. 16 times 3. So square root of 16 and square root of 3. Square root of 16 is 4 times 3, and that's it. You see, and this is the answer for 48 square root. Now the last one, it's very easy. We can split it down like 25 and 2, because we know that 25 times 2 is 50. So we can write square root of 25, and we have to write, we can write a square root of 2, because 25 times 2 we get back the 50. So square root of 25 is 5, and it's square root 2. And that's it really. This is how you work out whenever they ask you to write down the surds in their simplest form. So this is how we do them. Hope you like this video. So please press the subscribe button and bell icon as well. And also, if you can, if you like it, you press the like button as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.